Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok Now memories. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download TikTok Now application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and actually open the application, then log in or sign up to create your account. But if you do have an account, just go and log in into it. Of course, you can even just link your TikTok application with your TikTok Now application. You'll not be or you will not have to do all the steps of creating your account or even logging into your account. So let me just go here and open my TikTok Now application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So turn on notifications. I don't want to do that. So that will actually be your home or your main screen on the application. As you can see here, you can discover several options. If you want to know more about the TikTok Now application, you can just go and check one of our videos in this channel. So of course, as we said, if you want to delete your TikTok Now memories, just go and click at your account at the top or at your icon at the bottom right corner. So as you can see from here, we have like the last 28 days and we have the memories. So we just go and click at the memories option. So as you can see, this will actually open your calendar, and if you click at any day that you actually take a post, you will have here the post that you post every day and every memory. So of course, from here, if you want to delete those memories, just go and click at the three lines at the top or three dots at the top right corner. So of course, go to any post and click on it. As you can see, we will have here the delete option. So if you click on it, as you can see, they will ask you if you want to delete this now. Just go and click at delete, and of course I can do the same on this one, but I just show you how to do it. So as you can see now, if we go back, we will not find anything on the 3rd November, even if we had a post back then. So this will be actually for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.